that looks like a fruit roll-up. Oh, wait, how the fuck did you do that? You fucking wizard, bitch.
Nice. It's your new house. Come on, let's see. Do you like the... Oh!
So just chill out. You know, drink a 7-Up, eat a moon pie, quit murdering people.
And then it's like right, you know, but at the same time, I don't know, because then sometimes it's like.
I'm sorry. Oh, what is it? My mom got run over by a train last year.
Okay, baby.
Oh, okay. Let's see what you got.
Here we go. Jay-Z.
Cheer. Hove.
Denzel Washington.
All right, okay. That's what it is, right? You owe me.
Kevin Hart.
Hey, listen, first of all, the problem... Listen, can't just do that, Jimmy. What's the problem, man? Keep it.
Shaq.
Listen, this is ridiculous what you're saying.
Seth Rogen.
That's amazing.
Pete Davidson.
Yeah, bro.
The Rock.
You know what, jabroni? The Rock says this. If you're going to read my name, call me Dwayne Johnson.
Yeah.
What's up? Sorry I'm late. I was hanging out with some homies.
Say less. Vibe check?
Pop off.
I saw your Finsta.
Why are you being sus?
You're the one being sus. Dead ass.
I was just trying to make some friends.
Franz? No cap?
On God.
I heard about your body count. Bruh.
Broski, that was the past.
Why are you being cringe?
I'm not cringe. You're cringe. You're being cringe.
Trying to catch these hands?
Nar.
Shakes my damn head.
Now you're being chuggy as f.
What's chuggy?
Okay, Boomer. I thought we were busting, boo. We had a whole ass vibe.
Vibes is jank. For real, Chief. I'm unsubscribing to this trauma.
Trauma?
Trauma.
Trauma?
Our whole relationship is trauma. Period.
Big yikes. That hits different.
I want to try ethical non-monogamy.
Is that a supplement?
Nar. Polyamory.
Polly want a cracker?
Someone just threw sodium chloride at me. That's assault.
When he took the phone out of his pocket, there was something acrobatic. Okay. He knows the lyrics.
Say these as angrily as you can. Lavender body wash makes my pores tingle.
Lavender body wash make my pores tingle.
I want a love like the love in the Notebook, a love that splits the sky.
I want a love like the love in the Notebook, the one that split the sky, man.